Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. Unfortunately, there is a fight Kambambo. There are fights Kambambo. There is a fight Kambambo, whichever English word is preferred, right? Now, the reason why there is conflict Kambambo is because Ubabu Mbambo not Deliwe, they had broken up due to the lies Udeliwe Bagawayenza when Umbambo when Umbambo was in hospital. Also it came out ukuthi uDeliwe huye owapoisona Umbambo, hence the separation, right? Fine, wahamba uDeliwe because umphakathi decided ukuthi they do not want her there in the community because she's a danger to the community. Now because of that, uDeliwe had to be chased out. Sharp, no problem. And then Umbambo continued with his life, and then he met Usamge. They tried something which did not work, and Usamke was Deliwe's best friend, which also is Phetheni's best friend. Like they were friends, all of them in that triangle, right? Now, Umalume does not want a girl to be buried lapayana in her matrimonial home. That is uDeliwe. Remember, culturally, even when you are divorced, but because of inkomo ziphumile zaphumela ngakini, you need to be buried where your husband is, where you had married. So now, because of, remember, kini keeping a bogis. So uDeliwe needs to be buried, and she needs to be buried Mbambo. Angayizi ukhuzwayo arase create a conflict as a divide and conquer. We all know ukuthi uVelaphi is one ungrateful child without a backbone. She decided to take iside lika Khuzwayo, forgetting ukuthi lo baba lo onaye manje ubaba omsupporte even in the absence of the mom. Ubaba ohleli naye umamabo angasenandaba nabo. Like he was literally there every step of the way. Sharp. Ahlale nabo bahambe bafonele i-funeral service, funeral parlor, and then they fought back and forth. Funeral parlor said you need to sit down as the family and decide. Fortunately for Umbambo, he had a marriage certificate, right? And there was no divorce decree. Without the divorce decree, it means ukuthi they are still legally married, meaning uyonqatshwa kuphi kaMbambo. Hayi vele sekahleli lapho sekayakhala ubhuti wakhe omncane, ubhuti kaVelaphi omncane ukhalela ukuthi usisi wakhe is making the family choose, tearing out the pictures. Like it was just sad, but the conclusion was she is going to be buried kaMbambo. Afika ukhuzwayo arase adelele asukumu anti wakhona, called the situation into order, calmed the situation down. Now here's the question: how are they going to go back together, Umalume Nolo, and coexist after the unnecessary drama that Umalume caused? Considering that Umalume is also the one that broke the secret ukuthi uDeliwe had poisoned Umalume. Uvuma baba indoda yakhe, right? Sharp. Then kube yifamily yakwaDlamini. Family yakwaDlamini ihelpa ibhala incwadi. Yes, usisi Mavis ubhala incwadi, i-cookbook. Ugela bhala i-cookbook kanje, uyazibona nje aphumile kuleya family, ubona nje ubani lo fana lo sweet ukwenzo amrecorder enza ama-video. Hey, i-future yakhe i-bright nje, naye iyamphandla self. Will she finally get out of the Dlamini family? Because girl has been trying, and uNomfundo uphumile. Yes, uNomfundo uphume kabi because of bekaphinga. However, uphumile, meaning ukuthi kuyaphumeka. There's always hope for a better job than the one that they're currently doing, right? uThemba is upset. Wenzeni offer ijuice, uthina ijuice, athi no, I don't trust you, I don't even know what's in this juice. Perhaps we tell her something, I don't want it. At this point, uThemba akamthembi uWewe at all. uWewe now cries and throws a tantrum and does not understand why uThemba is upset after she has apologized. Oh, this child, if it was my child, benyumuthi spanking, spare the rod and spoil the child, or spoil the child and spare the rod. But whichever one was going to happen. With that said, one of the helpers wambonisa ukuthi no, but you are wrong. This is the direction yomuntu omdala. When you make mistakes, you must apologize. You must stand up for it. Right now, you are acting like a spoiled brat, and you have not apologized kahle kubhuti wakho. And even though you decide to apologize kahle kubhuti wakho, remember ukuthi ubhuti wakho is not obligated to take your apology. Hayi sisathi nje injalo indaba. Sobona ukuthi iphelelaphi. Then ke ubaba Dlamini naye decided ukuthi due to the conflict and the drama that is happening between nje into abantu baseqopho nomfazi wakhe nani, he's not going to be attending the funeral. And the reason why he's not going to be attending the funeral, he does not want the drama. The wife was understanding and said no, she will go alone to the funeral. So at this point is rest in peace uDeliwe, asibone ukuthi umngcwabo uhamba kanjani.